Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have something else for the BoxyCharm or the BoxyLuxe, and this is going to be in a future box. It still isn't confirmed what month or anything it's in, but before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment on my last video. This was from my confirmed October BoxyCharm spoilers. Congratulations, Melissa Ambergy. I probably butchered that, honey. I'm so sorry. I always seem to miss you as soon as you post a video, laugh out loud, but I really love and appreciate your videos. Well, Melissa, I really love and appreciate you too, honey, and I'm so glad that you take the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself want to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment on this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, guys, let's jump into this possible future spoiler. Now, first of all, you know we already done this video. We seen the Natasha Denona cranberry palette, but we seen that little lippy right there beside of it. At least I'm assuming it's a lippy. Now, I was thinking maybe Hank and Henry, but there's a lot of people that think that it might be a Natasha Denona lip glaze. And I mean, wouldn't that make more sense, y'all? But I don't know. We're still waiting on a confirmation, but as soon as they do, you know I'm going to update you guys. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Naturally Beautiful. Naturally says, I'm obsessed with palettes. Can't wait to get my hands on one of these. Well, Naturally Beautiful, I can't wait for you to get one either. I love palettes too. I'm a big old palette freak. And I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. And remember, if you yourself want to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this here video. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free. And it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then what I want you to do is rate the video. But you only got one choice. That thumbs down button quit working. So you got to hit the thumbs up button. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then one more thing before you guys head out. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see none of them comments down there saying, hey, I missed them spoilers you did last time. Because if you would have had your bell set, you would have seen them, honey. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.